give me some.
Coach Ray, Levi.
How's it going?
We are flying up to McKinney. They're opening a new service center up there for Cirrus Aircraft. So we're going to take part in that. They're serving hors d'oeuvres, or hors d'oeuvres, as Steve Martin would say. Yeah. So it's going to be a fun flight. So we're going to depart from Georgetown. We'll show a little bit of that departure, and then we'll check in later once we're on our descent into the Dallas area.
Yeah, super grateful. The guys at Cirrus reached out and invited us over there, so it should be fun.
Yeah, I'm excited. I've never flown to McKinney, so it's going to be.
Yeah, so they've had a maintenance facility there, and
right.
I believe flight training as well. But
they do.
They actually, bought some land and built a pretty decent sized facility over there. So that's what we're going over to check out. They're doing basically the launch of that. So
yeah.
It should be fun.
I saw the email, so it's a 45,000 square foot facility.
Yes.
And roughly like 13 million.
So yeah, I mean, if you guys have ever been over to Knoxville and kind of see the layout over there, it's supposed to be pretty similar to that.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, when we did delivery of this plane, I mean, Knoxville was
so what you
amazing.
Saw there
is going to be replicated close. Wow. All right, guys, it is a zoo here.
Yeah, it's busy.
Very, very busy.
We've been holding short for a while.
About 10 minutes.
Georgetown Tower, Tomahawk 251, Bravo, short final, runway 18.
That was really weak. Try again.
Georgetown Tower, Tomahawk 2516, Bravo, short final, runway 18.
6 Bravo, roger, you're cleared to land.
Clear to land, runway 18, Tomahawk 2516, Bravo.
Yeah, so I see the guy way back there. I think we should be good, hopefully, after this guy.
Is he a full stop?
I don't know.
I didn't hear.
There was another aircraft that
another reason why you should pay attention.
You're following the Bonanza. They're 1 o'clock.
Oh, I thought he was going to say you're following a banana.
Look at this, dude.
It's like Oshkosh over here. All right, I'm going to get ready to go because he might tell us.
Sun 423, traffic is Cherokee. One moving to 2 o'clock and a mile on a 5-mile final.
We're looking for that traffic area, so 423.
Remember 16 Bravo, turn left taxiway Juliet, coming ground.
Left on Juliet, contact ground 16 Bravo.
4 Golf Foxtrot, it's never a good idea to make your own decisions without talking to me first.
Oh, somebody got.
Air Sun 423.
At least he didn't get a phone number.
Understood. 4 Golf Foxtrot, just didn't see that plane.
Oh my God.
You said you had the Bonanza, so I'm just assuming that you were correct.
Jeez. Oh, nice.
Bonanza, but there is another one right behind.
Dude, don't argue with him. Just.
Yeah, I'm not even going to talk to you about it anymore. Aerosun 423, start your right base, number 4, runway 18, cleared to land.
Right base, Aerosun 423, clear to land.
Remember 126, your traffic is 11 o'clock in a mile.
All right, we're not getting out.
1,900.
Still looking.
Probably not even after that guy either.
And that's why you need to make sure when you call out traffic.
Now I see why he said the banana. It's yellow.
Oh.
The yellow banana.
3733 Golf.
126, you're sure
That's
it's
funny.
12 o'clock.
It does look like a banana.
It really does.
Looking for traffic and slowing down, 126.
Yeah, look down a little bit.
Greg's in a mood, man.
Yeah, I mean, I get it. There's a lot of traffic right now.
He's just trying to make people safe.
Right.
So when you call out traffic, he's assuming that you have the one he told you about.
Yeah, I see both of those guys out there. They're really close to each other.
You're still closing in on Cirrus. Half mile ahead, 70 knots.
Traffic inside slowing down, 126.
Oh my gosh.
890, turn left taxiway Juliet.
This goes back to knowing the planes that are in front and behind you and what their speeds are, so you don't run up their butt.
Yeah, he's 300 feet above him. He probably doesn't see him down in front of him.
This is a recipe.
126, might want to make some S-turns.
Yeah.
Runway 18 clearly.
He is
Right over
He is right over this guy, and if he doesn't see him, that
Yeah, he's starting to make the S-turns now.
Runway 18 clearly.
wow.
Okay, but that was a really wide S-turn.
Okay, that's
Papa Romeo, sorry about that, but I had to put out a fire.
Incoming call.
No worries.
Incoming
I'll get you out of
Bluetooth
here
call.
soon.
Incoming call.
No worries.
Incoming
Good job, man.
Bluetooth
Thank
call.
His S-turns were good enough, it looks like. Because the SR20 is landing now, and he's about a half-mile final.
oh
so.
god, he's porpoising. Oh, come on, dude.
Oh, look at that. No!
We'll get it under
Crosswind
control.
correction, man.
Oh man.
Did you see that?
Yeah.
The wheel was literally off the ground.
Juliet, Cunningham.
Oh man.
Going left, contact the ground.
Jeez, dude.
Woo,
This
that was
stuff
rough.
is scaring me, man. This guy running up his butt, that guy porpoising.
Back to Pilot's Choice.
Alright, I think we're
Yeah,
good
I think
after
this is going to be us here.
Alright, fuel pump's coming on, lights, good.
Contact ground 126.
For Papa Romeo, after departure, turn left heading 100, maintain 3000, runway 18 clear for takeoff.
Left turn to heading 100, 3000, clear for takeoff, runway 18, Cirrus 514, Papa Romeo, thanks.
Alright, got a crosswind from the left.
Alright, final is good.
Yep, I see him on final.
That guy's clear.
Clear of the runway. Alright, 18 outside, 18 inside.
Georgetown, Tower 861 Delta Sierra. We're ready at 18 Alpha.
Alright, power set. Everything looks good, sounds good.
Georgetown Tower, hold short, runway 18.
Hold short 18, 861 Delta Sierra.
There's 70 knots, and up we go. There we go, and crab into the wind. Tap the brakes. Positive rate, flaps coming up. And we're pitching for 91, 96.
Want me to continue 0990?
901, yeah, it was to intercept final, so turn final at your discretion.
Alright guys, we're on our way to McKinney, finally. Alright.
For Papa Romeo, contact Austin departure.
Over to Austin, talk to you later for Papa Romeo. Good afternoon, Austin. Cirrus 514, Papa Romeo. 1300, climb at 3000 on heading 100.
Cotty 811, turn left heading to 080.
080, Cotty 811.
Delta 2371.
600.
Flaps, map page.
215, Great Dale 2371.
There 514, Papa Romeo, Austin departure. Radar contact 118,
Just hand flying a little bit to get some practice.
514, Papa Romeo. Alright, she glared out up to 7.
7, okay. That same heading.
Yes, sir.
Cool. Alright. Heading. Autopilot, flight level change.
42, contact approach 125.32.
2532, exit jet 742, take care.
Alright, Levi, we're on our way.
Finally. That was a lot.
That was some drama, man. Oof. Hey guys, we're checking in at cruise. We're 7,000, truing out at 130 knots. Our ground speed is 153, so not too bad, 60 degrees. So we're on our way to McKinney finally. Levi has been working on some new business ventures.
Yeah.
That's pretty exciting, man.
Yeah.
So kind of tell everybody what you're into now.
Yeah, so, you know, ever since I got into like the corporate world, I was always interested in the buying and selling part of aviation.
Sure.
And I always kind of felt like there were not a lot of people that were, you know, sharing how that all works, which I get it. You know, you don't want to spill the beans.
Track 4, level 7,000.
But
Track 460 grade.
I really felt like
2901.
I needed to get into that. So my friend Jared and I, we decided that we were going to just jump right in, and we launched our brokerage company. It's called Ascend Aviation. And you know, we're brand new, but we're just excited to see.
Absolutely. And you've got, I mean, you have a ton of networking experience. You have a ton of friends in aviation that you've built over the years with the Aviators Breakfast,
Right.
and just all the stuff you've flown, King Airs, Citations, the Vision Jet, the Cirrus, the 20s, the 22s. I mean, you really have a wealth of knowledge and experience, and so I'm really excited for you guys to see where you take this.
No, we're very excited too. You know, it may not start off right away, but we're just along for the ride, you know, and we're excited to just be able to, you know, be a part of aviation that gives back, you know.
Sure. So McKinney's right there, that opening, I think, right?
Yep. Yeah, that's the airport right there.
Okay.
Choose 514 Papa Romeo is McKinney in sight.
Number 514 Papa Romeo, roger. Descend and maintain 3,000, I'll clearance here shortly.
3,000, 514 Papa Romeo. Good tower in the back up here.
Tower. And then you've got ground.
Yep.
Cool.
Number 1 Papa Romeo, cleared visual approach runway 18, contact McKinney Tower 118.82.
Cleared visual approach runway 18 over tower 18-2, we'll see you.
November 7 Bravo Bravo, descend and maintain 6,000, approach.
I said that wrong. It's 1882. McKinney Tower, here's 514 Papa Romeo, visual approach runway 18.
514 Papa Romeo, McKinney Tower, roger. Continue at or above.
Came in broken, cheers 514 Papa Romeo.
4 Papa Romeo, maintain at or above 3,000 for the left downwind to 18.
Okay, maintain at above 3,000 for the left down runway 18, cheers 514 Papa Romeo.
Crew check 431, hold to 25 on the climb. Got traffic from your right, Cirrus.
All right, I'm going to slow down because I'm going to run up this butt.
Bring it up to 25 if you want.
We'll bring it up to 25.
What we could do too is kind of turn it more this way so we can get behind him.
Yeah, because we're still a little far out for a downwind.
McKinney Tower, thrust 581, 8 miles to the northeast, requesting touch and goes with Quebec.
Thrust 581, McKinney Tower, roger, continue for the airport.
Continue for the airport, thrust 581.
McKinney Tower, medevac helicopter 337 Alpha Echo is
Brake
about
test
12 miles
good.
to the east, inbound for landing, Med City, McKinney.
You test your brakes just to make sure you got pressure.
My side's good. Cool.
Number 4 Papa Romeo, your number 1 for 18 short and cleared to land.
Clear land, runway 18 short, cheers 514 Papa Romeo.
McKinney Tower, Skyline November 439 Delta 10 to the south. 1,800 information, Romeo, inbound to land, full stop.
Number 439 6 Delta, McKinney Tower, continue right downwind 18.
Continue right downwind, 1896 Delta.
All right, speed's looking good.
Number 4 Papa Romeo, start your base if you can.
Turning in now, cheers 4 Papa Romeo.
Thank you.
I had a feeling
Cherokee 2 Lima, left
yell at
traffic.
me.
Traffic 2 Lima.
Traffic in sight, thrust 581.
That's 521, you can turn inbound to follow number 2, 18 short and clear touch go, left traffic on the go.
Number 2 behind the traffic, cleared touch and go
Altitude.
for runway 18, thrust 581.
500.
All right, 500, no more changes. Runway's in sight. All right, flaps 100.
Cherokee 2 Lima, extend the downwind, look for an archer 4 mile final.
Minimums. Minimums.
Nice. Really nice.
All right. I'm just going to go on this one.
Yeah, 4 Papa Romeo, can we make the right on Bravo 3?
And, number 4 Papa Romeo, roger, and you're going to the FBO.
No, we're going to Cirrus, please.
Got a restricted list, they're kind of full back there. I think everybody that's not on the display, they're going to the FBO for shuttling.
Okay, sounds good. Going to the FBO then.
Number 4 Papa Romeo, off there, left turn, and then a first right turn on Alpha 3 into the ramp.
Okay, left turn, Alpha 3's on ramp. 514 Papa Romeo.
interesante.